Any boy was so pussy and fuck, but they got dead in a this a dance like tonight. Style, you say me sound this time, me glad if you get gunshot. Them no pops play, we no afraid of nobody. Slowly pull up and your blood clot ends with a drop full of shot. Them no pops play, coffee murder somebody. Fucking bad. You make the youngsters arise again. They not this clear and the boss again in England. The style kill is on fire. Why get quality down and fish right down you? We are killing. Style good kill. I one of them song where you just can't kill. I one of them song where nobody man no bill. We are killing. The boss is style. Any boy with so pussy and fuck, but they got dead in a this a dance like tonight. Style, you say me sound this time, me glad if you get gunshot. Them no pops play, we no afraid of nobody. Slowly pull up and your blood clot ends with a drop full of shot. Them no pops play, coffee murder somebody. But I true that song a fucking bad. You make the youngsters arise again. They not this clear and the boss again in England. The style kill is on fire. Why get quality down and fish right down you? We are killing. Style good kill. I one of them song where you just can't kill. I one of them song where nobody man no bill. We are killing. Style good kill. Son going with a foreigner, yeah. To Sylvester Stallion with a rascal. I tell them go there with us. The boss is the style. Any boy with so pussy and fuck, but they got dead in a this a dance like tonight. Style, you say me sound this time, me glad if you get gunshot. Them no pops play, we no afraid of nobody. Slowly pull up and your blood clot ends with a drop full of shot. Them no pops play, coffee murder somebody. Fucking bad. You make the youngsters arise again. They not this clear and the boss again in England. The style kill is on fire. Why get cool? Khago, that's can't leave her. She a one of them girl, they make her know the most good one. The one thing they want them when they touch that bad. She a one of them young, they will sing, but she can't be no fun. No one thing that when I wanna touch that band. I touch that band. boy was so pussy and fuck, but they not got dead in at this dance that tonight. Style, listen me sound this time, make you hard if you get gunshot. Them no pops play, we no afraid of nobody. Stanley, pull up on your blood clot ends with a drop full of shot. Them no pops play, coffee no ready somebody. But I true, that's how you're fucking bad. You make the youngsters that rise and play. They not this kid and your boss again in way. That's why you kill this song for you. Why they pull it to the other fish on it on you? When you kill, style it to kill. Style it, I want of them song where you just can't kill. I want of them song where nobody man no bill where you kill. Style it to kill. Yes, I one of them song where you just can't kill. I one of them song where no fish don't bill with a kill. Style like a kill. Yeah, I kill. One of them song now when not evil a fish a yard. Big king son boy with a foreign area. To Sylvester Stallion with a rascal. Ten of them gun there with a rascal. Style like a one of them gun there with me up us. You make one for your get a get me help us. Comes full in my shot, I'm a shot, hot shot, you fight through by the like my life. Come and kill a song for you. Select that boy with my that you do the blue. We kill him. This time you're killing. Kill us. Style is one of them songs where you just can't kill. I one of them songs where nobody man no bill where you kill. Style like a kill. Yes, style like one of them songs where you just can't kill. I one of them songs where no fish don't bill where you kill. Style like a kill. Kill where you kill. Mother road, God road. Khagonians wagwan. Happy Sabbath, you know. So on the Saturday I supposed to do our yard. Spend some time with the family boy, but Ras boy. For the work, yeah, man. Me I say big up Silver Cat for bringing that rhythm I come give me last night. Yesterday, that rhythm I kind of already me have a buzz, you know? And big up Chris Martin for a beat ya. Beat ya sick. I tell you no lie. No kidnap a beat still, me just like it and me just put my voice all over it, you know? So blessing. You know today is Sabbath and I don't really come here for boring up in the day, but just come to say hi and hello. And I water me a drink. Back in a workout shop. The other day my girl come check me and I say, boy, you put on too much weight. You need to start workout. You understand? And I say, you know, we have a workout machine up a yard and we don't use it. Can I tell you something? What will you do, boy? Oh, you don't say when you don't have no live fighter, but when you don't have nothing a state prove up for you, just, you understand? But you're supposed to prove up yourself for yourself, you know? So right now, we never on a water campaign, allow the one Magnum and the one rum cream alone. You understand? Now go and flush out back your system and go and burn a little 1 hour morning time. Khagonians, remember those days when we wake up about the time I just work out, Lord God. Those was the days. But you not gone too far, just 1 year, you know. Just 1 year. We can catch up back for our thing, you know.
So right now, you see me there right now, foot them cramp up. And all different type of place for you cramp up. When you just start back. You understand? So bless up on yourself and have a nice Sabbath out there. And I don't know what I go on, but one whole heap of party and keep a holiday, you know, we look like. Boston, get ready. Khago so forward. Portland. Around 2 more places in I'm making right now. You understand? They announce soon. Bless up on yourself. A while ago, somebody just linked me and I say, I tell the person, say, me just a live. And so I mean I just a live. Me just a live and I take life easy. Me not wackle up myself, me not kill up myself to do nothing at all. Oliver, me can't find a dub them. How much time if you tell your brother when me buck up on them, me buck up on them. The engineer can't read and he can't write and he save the something and him can't find it and me can't find it. This is computer bad boss, me I tell you. It look like you're gonna make me and you fall out. Look how much dub me do for you already, brother. If me can't find it, me can't find it. By running through computer, me I go buck up on them. You have to just chill, brother. And that's why you see me kind of cut back off a dub play thing because me get to find out say, sound man ungrateful more than baby mother, me I tell you God Almighty truth. No matter the amount of good what you do for sound man, my lord, 90% of them just, you understand, if the artist are saying can't find it, this is computer, brother. That's why you see me round my machine now, and as my voice, me send people them thing. You understand? When I make a mistake again, I put people around the thing. You understand? And I tell you, say, as an engineer, you have to can read and can write. And if you can pinpoint, say, yo, me save a dub name, True Love, in a computer where the artist voice a million something in it. The hard to find, brother. And worse, I know me voice. If I me just make some bamson and sing back 10 dub for you if I have a free dog. But you have to just give me a chance. Rare and I like I can't make some and just tell an artist say, yo, run come from Kingston, come vice them back free. You have to wait, brother. You understand? Or you have to mash up with relationship or we have. It's up to you, dog. You understand? But me I tell you say a crazy you have to you know to go there, so brother. But just chill for a second. You don't move like girl fitness or dog. When you take your money, get girl for pussy or you get pussy where that will smell good. Or you bill and go back home to your wife. And ball underneath and ball. Yeah, that's a hide in the bathroom and ball. Your virgin whisper dead for you for you past 4 years, my lad. I give you dub fee price at 9 dub fee price at 1. Just chill for a second, dog. What me ever do? Me just can't find the dog. Me know say it do, but me can't find it. Yeah, I started me never do say man can't read and write my youth. The man just bam and just save, just right, it can't find. But by searching the computer, you go buck up panny one of the day. Just give me a second about boss. You understand? I mean, I tell you the dog, brother, I not even know if you call sound man right now, brother. See, you can't move so ungrateful, my lad. You understand? Artists make so bumps and humble down to the lowest tens. But once you don't have the upper hand, if you say yo in who or something. You see how they behave, my youth? That is the reason why you see when artists no deal with you, no, my lad. When them boss and get hype, they just deal with you. No. Because when they think a chuckle and they're in at the humble position, they no deal with them like them and nothing, my youth. You know, if you humble as sound, man, my lad. You understand? Every human being, if you humble, you know, if you have conscience, my lad. See? I don't know if you have courtesy and gratitude because you will come back round. A man who you something, a man whisper back up and say, brother, and be loyal to your thing. 100. And one little time you get the upper hand. 1,000 times, brother, me can't and me not a man not letting people with bad vibes in my heavens anymore, dog. Yeah, that's why I say, you see you call me, I know you call me about like you know, understand, so me tell you, so brother, me can't find it. When me find it, me I go send it come to you. You understand? Or when the artist come a studio, me I go beg him to voice it back over. But me can't tell a man, run come from town, come voice over back this, brother. Brother, just humble music, you're in, brother. You're in the business, stop act like a thick, say you don't need people, dog. You understand? Or you get enough. Because of that, you try to show me, okay, me get enough, me can Khago. You understand? Chill, brother. Don't spoil your relationship, brother. You understand? Because me make you get the dub them for lowest from the man them when they come around me. And the one where you can't get, where you know a vice, but I never may vice it. Me can't find it. I go find the main purpose is it there, dog. You understand? You see a man come and use a computer, dog, and you tell him, say, yo, save the thing them in this. And he not do it when he gone, he hard, dog. Me I tell you, brother. You understand? And you have some man spiteful enough, my lord, to save you one spot, and when him a cutting, delete it, dog. I know young people are got in a problem. I saw just saw the world set. But the main point is, my lord, me there, I'm in a hide. You understand? You see, if me type in true love right now, everything when me do for you come right up. You understand? But the one where them do, brother, you don't know where they save it as. Not even them themselves can't find it, dog. And me I tell you, say, yo, brother, just give it a second, man. If we can remember the date, if upon Facebook and you can find the date when it vice, you can say, Khago, see date there. And we just type in the date and find it. But a 1,000 sit with vice since then, dog. It's hard, brother. You understand? So, by you can help. Just find the date on Facebook, because you know me voice everything on the live. You see me? Major! Yeah, man, no disrespect, man. Just make we have a good vibe, man, and just stay humble and just know, say, where are you, man, doing, brother? Brother, last time we check it, brother, money. Money had nothing either, dog. The Bible itself tell us, brother, it an answer to everything, you know. And a student, no come, man?
Yeah.
So, what to do another, brother?
No, man, I say, me go do something, brother.
Dog, a student, no come, man. You think, boss?
Yeah, man. So, yeah. Lock up the door and what?
I joke, man, I want sound man in the spot. He dub them vice, but the man no know when save them as. He tell him, say, hard to find. Yeah, that's that. And he can't call quenchate for cause sing freedom. When he come. Yeah.
So we say, in try and get them door?
Or if you forget them, brother.
Okay.
The engineer, the there.
Oh, no, man, if I medicine, I'll shake it sitting down.
You understand? Me never do a bad car read alright to save your life. So, anything when me do for sound, then me save you as the man there, quenchate. Me save youth and green there, so. You vice them, I don't know, what you save them, I say hard.
And when me know, say the man hard car read and dog, when me, the man I want to go follow for me and the man can't find the back. Kind of know me, so me say the blood clot is save that brother. Me just come in that business and you can't find my blood clot for, that's what you did it.
I just have to tell the man, say, brother, no mash up full relationship, man. Yes, and right now, I cut off I don't play thing the other day, you know, brother. And top make artists come in, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? But at the end of the day, I get for say not to make no sense to make one artist mash up everything for everybody else, because it is a good move, you understand?
True.
But true love no mash up the thing, dog, the thing good.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Me and you have a certain level of respect, we can't make nothing at all spoil it, you understand? Me have dub a two sound man right now, True Love and well, next sound. I mean, and then the man a good dub plate wise. I can't find for the man anything. Yeah. If me advise a major, fear foul and the different major whitely. So
Then,
you see,
then
when
him,
come,
but then that's what tell the man to do.
Yeah,
Say,
that's
make linen, make everybody fall and defend.
everybody you can't advise linen in a Fabulous fowler. When me come for open up terry linen, me suppose you can find it. And when you vice, even if you vice terry linen, dog, in a the session, you're supposed to label the song, say, yo, okay, this is for True Love. So when you open linen file, you don't have to run through 100.
No, because every man name the panel song, brother.
Yeah, that's how I said. This is a True Love. Okay, a still Terry Linen session you open. Okay, Black Love. Okay, Black Cat. You understand? So because a 100 linen in a theme folder, so what you got to do? You just vice and so you have to go back now and play everything all over to find true love you had. You understand?
Brother, take up time for you. You have to go on the special for son for search your tune.
You know what I mean, like with woman? You are a woman now. How you gain so much weight? See? And if you ask a woman how you gain weight, then vex. Them wicked pussy holder. Anything where you don't want somebody ask you, you don't ask them. Especially publicly, like you want to be disrespect you. Me no gain no weight a full, be fucking full out. You understand? Who gain weight? I full me full out. Me start to eat good. I'm full out.
I'm comfortable. You relax.
Comfortable.
You relax, man. You relax. You relax.
I mean, I know a woman will spot me and stay scarf up for. You understand? If you ever ask a woman how you put on so much weight,
then cuss you, know?
Cuss you like a dog. If you ask a woman say how old you is,
then cuss you.
in cuss you. You understand? One man put on 20 pounds, that is 2 run up the hill.
And that drop off.
And that drop off.
Yeah, man.
And 2 good night of sex. Yes.
How do you come take off your weight for him, baby? Take off your feet.
Come take off your 20 pounds like you don't do so by the time you sprint up by a hill 2 times. You understand? Don't do it. You understand? Because me will vex. You don't want me get vexed. You understand? Mother road, man. True love, don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. You understand what I say? You just have somebody in the world who start sit down. And I can't tell us, there's somebody there. See, look all upon there sitting there. A straight rass muscle. We but sit down at a pump weight. See, yes, you put on 20 pounds, look for Major. Major put on
about 40
pounds. You understand? But this is man, all what man need to do is have money. Man, alright. You can't do that, Lisa. You can't come on live and say certain things publicly. I try hurt people's feelings. Not even my wife, you can't say, well, put on so much weight there. In a public, unless a joke, not even joke. Me can run them the joke with Francis still, because you know what some of them talk. You understand?
Yeah.
But you are going, no say them type of shit no more. Because if man say to you right now, you're vexed. Me watch a man interview a woman and say, so how old? And the girl vexed.
Oh,
every woman wants stuck at 18.
You know, do this.
You understand? And the first thing for you and a woman attack, she asks you how your bank account stay.
This man make me a cut while land side and the girl come there and that talk. And in the day and I say, boy, he see one man beat in woman last night and I say, boy, hard. I say, boy, I know me, I listen to me Khago say, no. I say, you say, when you reach 24, on the deal, on the lock off, you know. I say, no, we just have to believe it, Khago say, no. When you reach 24, we have to pay man for them, you know, found you know, get all the water, you know. And he said, no, say, look like a two beside the adapt me here, Khago say. Found you reach 24, on the deals are choosing done.
I show man, I want you get you have to take, I have to pay for it. Everyone pay pass, come here, man.
Come here, come over. I mean, sometimes, only look at only one.
Yo, man, you need to know do it, yes, sir?
Yo, this man couldn't sleep through the ash, man. A man lie down every part till girl too expensive in clean it up. So true that he couldn't sleep.
You think, man?
Only one clean up.
Jesus.
One more clean up, boy. That's why I come to me, so man. I realize that that's why I come so, Papa.
Man, how are you, man? You have big people food, but think cash it somebody. Man, don't think cash it somebody. And tell grandpa say I sat there, you know, man. Yeah, man.
Come soon, come clean up.
But at least I know watch the face, but I just go, you know.
Now come clean up, man. Come.
Like one time when I just busting, you see? And you, I mean, they are road, you know. Just to make money in that. See? And just get used so you can pull up a Ross KFC and buy any amount. Eh? Pull up a Burger King. Can you any amount of Whopper. Eh? Eh? I had somebody say, I rent me one place over all our village, New Harbour village.
Yeah.
I sleep in my one bed. I carry any color girl when me feel.
Right.
Me slap one good 6 months. Gaslight always up a green.
Yeah.
Anytime me see you reach, you come off a quarter, me put it back.
Yeah, man.
I make some Bob say, I put on a nice little 10 pound and I sit in there. You understand? I make some Bob say, I mean, I go to studio and here, how come and talk about, hey, Khago, what a way you get fat? I say, man, who I get fat? I full out.
Alright, sir.
Couple of years ago when they did know me, my lord, they say, I'm hungry, they kill me.
Yeah, man, you're full out alone.
I full out.
Yeah,
You understand? Chest I push out. You understand? Flesh I go on the bone, on the cheek.
Yeah, man.
You understand? You need to tell me, say, boy, what? You understand?
Yeah, man.
Man worm out and start it
Good.
good.
Sure, man.
You understand? Till we get to find out, say, alright. Yeah, we cut back down.
Yeah.
But there come a time when you have to put on 1 2 pounds.
Yeah, man, you have to put on this one.
You understand? You can't live your life for one put on 2 pounds. Then make somebody start take off your back. And when you feel you put on the back.
You put on the
You
back.
put on the back. Like we see Francine link me around 3 days ago. Boy, you're not going to work out. See, I must man you look. Half a man you look make you tell me if you go work out.
Alright,
You understand? So you do what I do? Jump back on the machine. Because let me tell you something. This body is not my own, you know. I feel you. Are you married to it?
Yeah, man.
See? And I say, girl, you're fat.
So you have to go do some work out.
Go work for my body.
Yeah.
Go and work for my body because that is not my body.
Alright, sir.
You understand? So right now, me there, I know for my body this. I feel Francine. So you look somebody and say, since you don't want it, all me I do, 12 o'clock at that time, major we feel for cook.
How we cook?
Me just cook and dash food for Francine body. You understand? Because when you see me, this is Francine. You
Yeah.
understand? Me don't own this. You understand?
Yeah.
Go a quote or ask or go in the Bible and you will see.
Yeah, man. Your wife body that, man.
A big girl body this. You understand? But when me did have this body and say this body half me major. At one time I make it put on 120 pounds and that was that time. Yeah, I buy a time and I take care of it.
Yeah, man.
So also a girl who's part of work out left with the husband. And things in your ass. Eh?
I do that.
Love we make him mash up major.
Yeah, man.
Me love we make him run down for 1 2 weeks. I say, yo, God. Alright. We are going to set it back. Since you want me set it back, I go set it back. But when it come to telling a man about himself, man, he will vex. Because a woman supposed to tell him. So major, you know, say, boy, go shave no major, man.
Yeah, man.
Eh? Like me see your wall one nice, you go shave up and anything. They go a catty tell us, brush up yourself, man.
But you have to know something time I ready me do my thing, man.
Hmm?
You must tell me what he say, love me when me ready me do my thing, man. You know, one pick up.
God. Bless up with yourself for the Sabbath, man.
Yeah, man.
Mother road, God road out in that town, major.
People do that, man.
Yeah. Don't show no keep later.
I see one big sitting around there, so I don't know, I see them back up around there.
Oh, yeah.
But you see that junction school, I know kind of big party around there, so. But I see big stage I put up on whole back when I go around there.
One girl, she in around now, you know. Yeah, man, nice, slim as one nice Indian. What does it could I get?
So something she promote?
Or yeah, she come now.
Okay. And just come across.
I feel like she can come in and come sit down.
Okay. Alright.
She don't look like she want no body still.
Yeah, but she just want to have a seat.
But she want to have a seat. And she go if you want water.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So if this is the day, maybe you could have a companion.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? If I don't look for me, they say I don't want nobody, you know.
Alright.
Then do my interview before. You understand? So,
You know you don't want nobody.
you don't want nobody, man. You know me already taken.
Mm-hmm.
You know me already taken with a heart broken.
Mm-hmm.
Khagonians, big up in yourself. Derek, Mother Road, Tracy, big up in yourself. Paul Simmet, big up in yourself. Happy Sabbath. Khago, need some jingle. Who that I said they want jingle? Yeah.
And then if you just call you, man.
I know how thing work, man.
Call the artist, man.
Just call you now, I don't get in a jingle, man. You understand? Call you now, I don't get in a dub. I'm ready for start voice back sound dub. Because yeah, enough sound man want to end up in a but from the other day, I kind of ease off.
Yeah.
Because you are bad. So man, I appreciate his standard, you understand? I get you understand, sir. You know, so sometimes when you drop it thing, dog, people take advantage of you.
True.
Serious, you
Yeah, man, enough
and
time.
when you look on you and I say, yo, you know, say, 1 million new sound out there, then can't cut one dub plate.
True, man.
That set the thing away since me no have nothing else to do. Set the thing on a level we spot. So man we would have never cut a dub plate can have a dub.
Yeah, man.
You know, say all them see man that disrespect you.
Yeah, man.
Find them think they can afford you.
Yeah, hype.
You never know that?
True, man.
Even in a relationship, from your woman thinks that she can afford you. I mean, say she can do better than you know.
Yeah, man.
Don't put yourself in a position where nobody can afford you.
Mm-hmm.
Just link me man, the number them on Facebook them man. You understand? It look like anytime you put yourself in a position major, for even your woman thinks that you can afford him. I just say disrespect that come.
True, man.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Like me I watch a man and the man I say, don't ever make your woman know how much money you have.
Yeah.
I say, wow. The man say, yeah man, don't make your woman know how much money you have, or if you broke like a dog, hide and borrow it from your virgin. Don't make she know say you're broke.
Yeah. Because I diss you.
Because she go diss you. Because 99% that woman we are there with you right now, they're not there with you for just say, yo, me a try with him. You understand?
And they will do your things.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, you want to say, don't make your woman know how much money in your bank account.
Right.
I may look upon you and I say, you know, I true matter. Because you know why you know, 99% and no woman, you as a man can't know how much money they have.
I know, tell you.
Then they with you and use every dollar for you and save for them. Man say no make no woman know how much money you have. Such a shame, not true?
True, man, I shame, man.
Big shame for know say yo, you as a man. Right. This man may watch NXT. And just see an interview one Dash Your Belly doctor. And the man say 1 out of every 3 women who you see Dash Your Belly already. You understand? A man say 1 out of every 3 women where you know.
That's your belly.
Dash Your Belly.
Man.
She know dash her 1 nor 2. In her whole life, she dash her more belly than the amount of picnic what she have. Because he said from then start dash her 1 and find out say then can. It's just like if tomorrow morning cure make for AIDS.
People don't care.
People just not care. You understand? I doctor talk even though the man have him power strict regimen and I tell him say I'm wicked, you know. You understand? He must say from people want if you done me I go do it. Say man like man make you know say 1 out of every 3 women you see man. That's your belly alright.
So more baby there in the world more with if they never kill them man, that population not too much.
And black people, the black girl them. Serial killer. Understand? Mother Road got roll out them the argument. Love you guys.
Yeah, man.
Live, nice, image.
Yeah,
Like
man.
I saw if you stay. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
I saw if you stay, man. What you say? It is one. I want out of 3 missing said this body.
Okay.
See? But somebody has said 1 out of 7. 1 out of 7 are still enough. You understand?
Yeah.
Brother, see man want say the amount of pitney we spot the girl them kill. More than the war them we spot fight for the day. Civilization back.
Man.
Black people, you know. Black girl them. But enough for we business that. Love you guys.